Hello everyone, today we will learn all about variables in JavaScript. Create a variables in JavaScript is called as declaring a variables. JavaScript variable can be declared in four ways. It's automatically declared and using const, where and let. There are three keywords in to declare JavaScript. The where keyword was used in JavaScript code from 1995 to 2015. The let and const keyword were added to JavaScript in 2015. The where keyword should be used in code written for older browser. When to use your where, let and const keyword. Always declare a variable and always use a const if the value should not be changed later, and always use the const if the type should be not changed, array or an object. Only use let if you can't use const, and only use where if you must be support older browser. So you can create temporary variable where and let keyword. So you can see how can declare a variable in JavaScript. Const, let and where keyword with name is A, B and C. I print it in console. So I am check the output is 10, 10 and 20. You can see. Now we will see what is the rule of declare name of variable. The name can be contain letter, digit, underscore and dollar sign. Name must be begin with a letter, and name can also begin with dollar sign and underscores, but we will not use in this tutorial. Name are case sensitive. A reserved word cannot be used in a name. For example, here I write C, but I don't like this and I declare where. So this is the reserved keyword. Where is not allowed to variable declaration name because the variable declared expected some other name. So I am write a C here. You can learn more about JS variable in W3 schools. I give a link below in description. You can see the JavaScript arithmetics, JavaScript dollar sign with this. You can check this out and try it yourself.